I want to draw a little bit to show you, because when I'm working with difficult and more complicated hairstylists, I like to draw and I like to see my vision, because sometimes it's not gonna work 100%, right? And that's why I want to secure myself and I want to try out and see, is that gonna look okay and good. So here it's almost like that from the front. We're gonna do like this and it's gonna go like zigzag a little bit. Okay, it's gonna like this. Yeah, and from this part. Okay. From this part, I want to create really big bow, which is something like this. This here, I'm going to back on a little bit like this. Yeah, and it's not really, but the roots more. Okay. Try to open evenly. Not opening technique also, but we're gonna open it both sides. Comb it very well. Yeah, and hold both sides and then open it like this. Anyway, I'm gonna comb it, I'm gonna separate it more evenly from the roots. I want to work with this hair a little bit different way, so you will see it now. That's why I put some pins. It's separating for two sections like this. Trick here, now the main course is on the back side. Then you can start braiding like the front here, and now we're braiding on the back side, right? We're separating also for two sections like this. Then big straight round. Now it's all easy. Now take more right. And now from this side we're gonna take all the hair, okay? Also very gentle. You can put also pins like this in the front if it moves too much, if it's too heavy, okay? But this hair looks okay. I can like handle it. We have to make it very transparent. This hair, okay? The back coming just to give a direction, okay? It doesn't have to be super clean, okay? And open it maximally wide. Like so. See, and I'm putting two pins like this and opening it very wide. And from far away, you start hairspraying this here, okay? Combing it very well, and then hairspraying from far away. Try to open it wide again, and when you start hairspraying more like intensively, you don't have to comb it anymore, okay? You just push it with your fingers now. And inside and outside, as you can see. And you put some pins like this, very close to the roots to give a direction. And then you wrap it. Okay, it looks like this. Now, to support this liners, I want to put some pins like this to the roots, okay? We are wrapping like this. Same way like with it. And try to create same volume here, okay? It doesn't have to be too big. And then we are putting like this very close to the first one. See? All the hair that we have here, we're taking it and we're wrapping this hair together and pushing with the pin. Back comb on the roots, otherwise you can separate it, right? I want this hair to be together. And then when you do hold like this, then you take all this hair, wrap it and put between these hairs, right? Wow guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoy of this. I think it really looks like my drawing, right?